All right, guys, we are still in the central region of Ghana, Otsir to be precise. I am close to the seashore. How do we call this area? Abandze. Oh, okay. May men are not called or young crew. No, it could be there was a Ponapra. So what can they? Paprama.
There are problems with the chapel.
Okay.
I don't know now. But we remember the other
Wow. Okay.
So I'm from one of my
Oh, okay. It's in me now. Even as dinner, all my work for over now, we know what we're
I don't know the mayor were you. Yes, or more food suit at that.
Oh, yes, see defense.
To do by your own. They say, what were you better?
Okay.
So I'm a 1 year shy. I'm a little fun.
Oh, I see. Yehuda says, we have some of the fishermen at sea right now. They are on their way going. We pray they go and they come safely. Looking at the sea waves, the tidal waves, it's very high and it's very dangerous to go to sea now in this very season. And that is what he just explained. The sea defense that was made at the Abandze beach area, and the fishermen were saying that it is a bit closer to the seashore. That has really caused, is one of the contributing factor that causes this tidal waves going very high. So, sir, now maybe something in this room. Oh, okay. I see it. Maybe I watch actually with Dinego. It's not there. Find there be a more him baby now. It didn't identify me him, man. You know. Oh, okay.
On the way, I'm about 20, but I'm
I see. Now, flags now when you see
so they are the nations.
minimum brofu na mpana me hwere ma minimum ma wo chere wo school no onye da mu hu wo he sawa osa no mo even as no fa na brada no but na djuma yeden
On the net, there are Abana, Elevanas, Hope to me. It miss. No, I know that. So I am maybe this one who used to come
now even as listening let me diminish but you biara no nyim one I will go to you even as you put it it's easy okay. Okay, put this in. So we call this the cock. Okay, so in fancy we call it putisi. Major, even as in even if you man the man the Otsir.
You know, my so what the soon you what do Ghana? No, so many to look on Sada.
Okay,
You know, my
Otsir so. Otsir so. I see. Oh man, I'm Otsir soon anyway. Good. Oyepa. I am at the seashore at Abandze beach, and we are at Otsir, but however, Otsir and Abandze is close. So we have the opportunity to come here to have a word, one or two, with a fisherman here, and it was very excellent. We can see that some fishermen are trying to go to sea now, even though it's very difficult. The tidal waves are very high, but they are trying their best to go safely and come safely.